हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बॉलीवुड वाला। आई एम सोनम। दोस्तों, आज हम हॉरर फिल्म्स के बारे में बात करेंगे और मेरे मेरे पास है मेरे सारे के सारे स्टूडेंट्स। पैक्ड हाउस है, फुल हाउस है। दे आर ह्यूज फैंस ऑफ हॉरर फिल्म्स। मैं उतना बड़ा फैन नहीं हूँ, बहुत कम फिल्म्स मैंने देखा है हॉरर के जॉनर में, लेकिन मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ने ऑलमोस्ट सारे के सारे फिल्म्स देख डाला है। तो आइए उनसे पूछते हैं उनका फेवरेट हॉरर फिल्म कौन सा, फेवरेट मोमेंट कौन सा ऐसा मोमेंट था जब उन्होंने बहुत जोर से आवाज किया थिएटर में फिल्म देखते वक्त, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह। आई विल बिगिन फर्स्ट विद आई कैन सी काव्या ऑन माय स्क्रीन। काव्या, what's your most favorite
Hello.
horror film? The most scariest one that you've
I like I like Conjuring because it has a very good backstory,
Okay.
and it my favorite horror scene is
Your
when the
favorite horror scene
mother's
will come
in
to
a dark.
we'll come to the favorite horror
Okay,
scene,
we'll
but your
come to it
favorite
later.
favorite
Okay.
horror film is Conjuring. Okay, Marita, what's your
Yes.
favorite one?
So it's the Nun.
The Nun. Okay, all right. Rushikesh, आपका
Yeah.
कौन सा है? Which one is yours?
Actually, it's not horror film, but a Final Destination, all series.
Which one?
Final Destination, all series.
Okay, Final Destination. Okay.
All movies.
All right. Nikita, looking very eager. Nikita, what's your favorite horror film?
Conjuring Part 1.
Oh, Conjuring fans here. Sarah?
Conjuring 2.
Conjuring 2. Okay. Janvi?
Yeah.
It is actually a series, sir. Haunting of the Hill House.
Haunting of the Hill House. Okay, I've seen that. Shreya, which one is yours? Shreya, I can't hear you. I can't hear you, Shreya. I can't hear you.
Sorry, I'm mute. So both the Conjuring parts and even the IT ka first part.
Okay, okay, all right. Aditi, what about you? Aditi Shivade?
So it's
Insidious.
Insidious. Okay, all right. Shubhaprada?
Sir, Mira would be 2, The Nun and The Curse of a Weeping Woman.
Oh, The Curse of the Weeping Woman. I've seen that. That's a nice one. Aditi Subhash, which one?
Sir, I like the horror series Haunting of the Hill House.
Okay. Okay, all right. Sakina, what about you?
Sir, I'm not a fan of I'm not a big fan of horror movies because actually I'm afraid of watching them.
But कुछ तो
So I
देखा है,
don't really watch
कुछ भी देखा नहीं आपने? Oh, Sakina's not even seen a single. Huh? Which one?
I have watched one halfway, like in the very middle, I left it.
Which one was that?
Back in 2000. It was Booth Returns.
Booth Returns. Okay, all right. Acha, Kavya, coming back to you, which has been your most scariest moment? The one that really, really shocked the living daylights out of you?
I like the Conjuring scene where the mother's in a staircase and just from a shoulder someone says wanna play hide and clap and like clap, two hands come and clap. Because I did not expect it. That was a very good scene.
Okay, all right. Marita, what about you?
So the whole film was very scary, but the part where the nun is possessed, Sister Irene, so that part was very scary.
Okay, all right. Rushikesh, which one's yours? Your most scariest moment?
From the Final Destination, there was a scene of bridge breaking, and all the many of people died there due to various street accidents, and that scares me while I am driving.
So that scares you while you're driving.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay, Nikita, what about you?
In the Conjuring, the same thing where they are playing hide and clap, and the mother goes into the room and she opens the closet because she hears a clap there. She opens the closet and she sees two hands clapping, but when she looks, there's nobody there. That was really scary.
Right. That is my scariest moment also. Sarah, what about you?
So the movie isn't as scary as the first part, but in the end, when they tell that it is based on a real life story, that scared me the most. And they even showed pictures of that actress and the real girl, how she was possessed by the demon. So that scared me a lot.
That is the most. That is indeed scary. Okay, all right. Janvi, what about you?
Sir, actually it's two. Like one is Hindi and one is Hollywood. So I'll tell like the haunted ship. The first part I actually watched it in the theater. So in the starting scene I actually shouted very bad in the theater, and it was only like 10 to 11 people, and they were looking at me like, why is this girl shouting? It wasn't even scary, but the moment was scary for me. And another was the Haunting of the Hill House. I used to watch like
4 to 5 days I was watching the series and I couldn't actually sleep, and even in daytime the series was haunting me. In the
Oh, God.
train, there were so many people, and even then I was scared. That was the scariest time.
Okay, talk about scariest moment. That's indeed scary. Okay, Shreya, which one has been your most
Sir,
scariest moment?
Conjuring and all that, I've bit scary only. सब लोग ने जैसे बोला, but I don't know if many of them seen Orphan movie. It's not a horror movie actually, but the psychological thriller that movie has, each and every part of that movie scared me like anything.
Okay, but any favorite scene? कोई favorite scene है जो?
Scene is in Orphan, one scene is there when the girl who is the orphan, she's the nun of that school, the headmistress of that school. When she comes to the house to inform the family that there can be some problem with the girl, and she goes back to their school.
Okay.
In the time she murders, like when she's going home back, वो murder करती है उनका. That was like turning point. Like how she can do, how a little girl of like 10 to 11 years can do like this.
Okay,
She scares
alright.
the children, everybody.
Okay, scary enough. Aditi Shivade, what about you?
So the most scariest part, like for me, was like the last scene in the Insidious, the first chapter, like where the Josh wives, discovers that in that photograph, like in the flashback, that Josh is actually that old woman, and like he calls out her name, and then she looks back. Like that was the scariest moment for me.
Oh, okay, scary enough. Shubhu, what about you?
So for me, the nun wala, those scenes in which the nun is walking in that passage, it scares the shit out of me, because even when even when I try to come inside in my room from the hall, my passage is not that big, but when the lights are off, I feel like mujhe wo dikh jayegi. So that was one, and I literally shouted. I mean, I was with my sister and two of my friends, and I just hugged her and I shouted when that body hung, and I was like, oh God, and I just screamed the hell out of myself.
Oh
and
God.
Even with the Curse of the Weeping Woman, all the scenes when they showed her face, I can, even if I think about her, I can see her. It is horrible. I don't even want to go describing all of that.
Okay. Aditi, what about you? Aditi Subhash?
Yeah, it's the scene from The Haunting of the Hill House where there's this kid who is in his room, and at night he just hears a weird sound, and he goes and he checks through the hallway, and he sees there's a tall man who's like banging the cane on the floor, and then he's so scared that he enters, like he just goes under the bed and he's hiding from the bang, and the man enters the room, just sees everywhere, and then the man like looks inside under the bed, and it's just boom, and nothing happened, like cut to another scene. But then that scene was like very scary for me.
Oh God,
like, I was really scared. It was like a tense nightmare scene.
You know, the way you guys have described all these scenes, I mean, it shows how much of an impact these horror films have had on you as audience, as viewers. Sakina, what about you? आपका कोई अच्छा आपने तो देखा नहीं है ज्यादा कोई फिल्म, but कुछ है ऐसा कोई scene?
I've got this one. I would like to share the scary, like where I left that movie, Bhoot Returns. So there was this girl, and she was calling, like she's the demon that is which is invisible for everyone else, but only she sees. So she's like in every corner, she'll be like shabu shabu, and people around her think that she's calling it to a doll.
Okay.
And then in the night, when that demon comes and pulls off the blanket from her mother, that was the scariest part, and I left the movie then and there.
Okay.
Because I felt it just popped out of my heart.
Okay, guys, tell me, has anyone watched a horror film all alone in a theater? All alone?
No, not in a theater.
Just one person inside the theater. No one?
No
one has ever tried that stunt. I will tell you what, I have done that. I went, not by choice, I went to watch Ruhi. Not a single person turned up for the first day for show. I ended up watching the entire film all alone inside the theater. And trust me, I was not at all scared. Yeah. I mean, the movie had no impact.
It was not so scary.
Yeah, it was not so
It was
scary.
like a comedy like thing.
Yeah, more like a comedy. Yeah. They tried to make it like Spree, but then they couldn't really succeed. Okay, all right.
No, I don't think any of us have gone to a theater alone at all in any movie. Horror bhi ho comedy bhi ho jaye.
Okay, I am feeling isolated all of a sudden. Okay, all right. Tell me, do you guys watch the BTS behind the scenes of horror movies?
No.
Yes.
No, not really.
No, sir. वो पूरा
Yes,
horror
I
का
do.
मजा निकल जाता
One second.
है.
I'll come to all of you. Wait, Kavya, starting with you. Do you watch it?
Yes, I do, because I wanted to know how they have shot these scenes, because I was really like shocked, especially as Rishikesh said, Final Destination. I was like, was the entire thing a green screen? And went to find out that it was so much of a green screen. It was like, I was fascinated by how the actors did act.
Okay, and also quickly, has there been any scene where you have really shouted out loudly, like how Janvi did?
Yes, the clap scene, because I did not expect it. I thought, ghost हमेशा सामने से तो आता है, ये पीछे.
Okay, Marita, what about you? Do you watch behind the scenes of the making of horror films?
Yeah, I watched the Conjuring का behind the scenes because I was very curious कि कैसे कर लिया यार इतना अच्छा, because after a long time ऐसा कोई movie आया जो इतना scare किया. So I watched it and I मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के, and उसमें भी behind the scenes में भी they were speaking, so ऐसा बात करते हुए उन लोग बोल रहे थे कि हाँ they bless the sets and all every once a week comes to bless the set. ये सब सुन के और डर लगता है क्या बहुत.
Okay, कोई scene जिसमें आपने बहुत जोर से चिल्लाया देखने के बाद?
Yeah, so the Conjuring में ही एक scene है when Cindy, one of the characters, is banging her head on the cupboard, and then her sister puts her on the bed. Then she gets up and she points towards the cupboard. So when Andrea turns back, the devil is sitting on the cupboard, and that is the moment I don't want to watch it again because that scares the shit out of me.
Okay, all right. Rishikesh, आप देखते हो behind the scenes?
नहीं, behind क्या होता है कि behind the scenes जब आप देखते हो ना तो मजा चला जाता है पूरे हॉरर मूवीज का. तो फिर अगर बाद में जब हॉरर मूवी देखते तो उतना फील नहीं आता हॉरर देखने का.
Okay. फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन में कोई सीन था जहाँ पर आपने जोर से चिल्लाया या कोई और मूवी?
चिल्लाने का नहीं, एक्चुअली जब मैं बहुत स्केयर होता हूँ तो मुंह से आवाज भी नहीं निकलता. तो फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन में जो उन्होंने दिखाया कि कैसे अलग अलग तरह से लोग मरते हैं, वो भी नॉर्मल चीजों से अपने डे टू डे लाइफ के. तो I do not have the words to scream also.
Okay, Nikita, what about you? Shouted out, screamed loudly?
Oh yeah, actually Conjuring and also है, but there is this movie Shutter Island, which I am very scared of.
Shutter Island, Martin Scorsese. Oh, okay.
Yeah, and Leonardo DiCaprio.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why? Which scene?
जहाँ पे वो revelation आता है, I was it was not a jump scare for me, but I was more in a shock.
Okay.
It's probably not a horror movie, but it's a very psychological thriller. So.
Okay. And do you watch BTS of horror films?
Sometimes, not all movies. But कभी कुछ अगर interesting लगा, so I want to know how this is made, then I watch. Otherwise.
Okay, Sarah, what about you? कभी चिल्लाया आपने जोर से?
No, sir, never.
अरे क्या बात कर रही हो? Okay, all right. अच्छा, BTS देखती है आप? Behind the scenes.
I don't really watch BTS, but I watch how they do the makeup, that special effects makeup, and I try it on myself.
Really?
Yes,
okay.
sir, really.
That's a fascination. Which makeup have you tried? I'm just curious to know which makeup have you tried.
I've tried the nun's makeup, and nun Valak.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
And 2-3 like random clown makeup and stuff.
Please send me the picture.
Clown in the movie.
Please send me the picture if you have, because I would love to see.
Yeah, okay. I'll have to look for it. It was in my old phone, so I'll try looking for it and I'll send you if I find it.
Okay, Sarah. Janvi, what about you? Acha, you shouted out loudly while watching Booth. Of course, you mentioned that, but behind the scenes, देखती आप?
No sir, फिर वो horror actually बहुत कम movies है जो डराती है हमको. तो अगर BTS देख लिया ना तो उसका horror ही निकल जाता है.
Oh,
so,
okay.
No BTS, sir.
Okay. Shreya, what about you?
No sir, I don't watch any BTS, but क्योंकि BTS देखने के बाद पता चलता है कि कुछ और extraordinary कुछ सच में हुआ है, और उसके अलावा already एक trauma देखने के बाद फिर उसको देखने के बाद कुछ सच में हुआ है तो और trauma कि उनके set में कुछ हुआ, उधर कुछ हुआ, इधर कुछ हुआ. तो
but जोर से चिल्लाया था आप लोग? आपने कभी चिल्लाया?
नहीं sir, as Rishikesh said, कुछ ऐसे स्कैरी आता है ना, लाइक अंदर ही अंदर I will be like oh shit, but I will never say it. सब चिल्लाना वगैरह नहीं.
Okay. Aditi Shivani is smiling. Aditi, have you ever shouted out loudly, screamed loudly?
No, not actually, because मैं अकेले कभी देखती नहीं हूँ, या तो कभी friends के साथ या तो mostly dad के साथ. Like my mom is not at all interested. Me and my dad like watches horror films.
Okay.
So like scene आने के पहले ही like my dad scares me. So और वो सीन जो भी होता है उनको पता है that what had scared me the most, so अगले दिन he tries to scare me with the same scene. Like,
that's funny.
So like I have not shouted, but the way he scares me, like I stop watching it.
Okay, do you watch BTS behind the scenes? Is that interesting for you?
Not actually, like I haven't seen any of those, but would like to, like how they create that atmosphere. Like I'm really curious to know about it.
Okay. Aditi Subhash, what about you? Screamed loudly, shouted loudly?
So while watching Conjuring, there was this one scene, me and my friends, we were sitting in my friend's house and we were watching that movie. And there was like I don't really remember the scene, but then it was Shant and suddenly the woman starts banging on the door. And at the same time, my friend's father started banging at the door and we all started screaming so loud. It was very scary.
Oh, that is indeed scary. And do you watch behind the scenes? Is that?
No, I only watch one BTS and that is Bangtan Sonyeondan, no other behind the scenes.
Oh, okay. शकीना, आपने कभी जोर से चिल्लाया था वो कोई सीन देखकर? अच्छा, आप वो जो मूवी देख रही थी आप? Sakina, if you can hear me? Sakina? Okay, I don't think Sakina can hear me. I will come to Sakina again. Shubhu, what about you?
I told you I screamed, but
Yeah.
BTS, I actually seeing I'm already scared. I feel very scared to watch horror movies, so I've stopped now. I don't even remember. I think The Curse of the Weeping Woman was the last horror movie that I watched, and I can't because I have reached that threshold. I cannot take it anymore. But yeah, when I was small, my sister and I, we used to watch Paranormal Activity ka BTS and we used to laugh. I don't know why. But apart from that, I genuinely don't want to watch anything that has got to do anything with horror films.
Okay, all right. Before we sign off, just one question, common to all. Any Veerana Purana Manzil fans here?
I lost my network, sorry.
Yeah, Sakina. No worries. We are just discussing the BTS and laugh out loud scenes. No Hindi film fans here? No Hindi film booth fans here?
1920 was a good one.
1920. Okay, Sarah, what about you? You are raising
that was a good one.
I like Stree. Like it is a horror comedy, so I like watching Stree.
Yeah,
and the villain is also not villain. The ghost is
but
also
anything
kind of
that
scary.
really scared you? Anything that really scared the living daylights out of you? A Hindi film? No, nothing comes to mind.
I guess
1920 did, sir.
Yeah.
Acha, 1920. Okay. All right, guys. This was such an interesting session. Got to know a lot about you guys personally while watching what happens with you all after watching horror films. But thank you very much, दोस्तों. अगर आपने, of course, आप लोगों ने भी देखा होगा बहुत सारा horror films. आपका favorite horror film कौन सा है? Favorite moment कौन सा है? लिखकर बताना comment box में. चलिए, for the moment, it's time for all of us to say, ta-ta.